Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. Just to see what's in May's Boxycharm, then make sure you keep on watching. So I'm not wearing any makeup because I always have to wait and see to see if there's like a primer, a face mask, anything in here. So the theme for this month's Boxycharm is Boxy Bash. You'll get 20% off Cover FX website, I'm guessing. We get a discount for Pure Cosmetics, 15% off. So that's always nice. So that is a theme. That's cute, that's cute. Okay, now I'm gonna, so the first thing I see that I want to try is this. Let me just jump in. This product right here, and this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I love getting primers in my Boxycharm because primers can be and get really expensive, especially good primers. So that's good that we got it in the box. Okay, so a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. This retails for $38. See what I mean? See what I mean? $38, like, not for resale. Are you sure? Okay, so it has the consistency of, I would say, like the Professional, like moussey texture. It has a tint to it. I've already moisturized, so I'm just gonna be applying this to my pore problem area. I really like this primer already. Hopefully it performs as well as it applies. Okay, I'm just gonna wear the Peach Perfect foundation. I really do like this primer. It made my face look very flawless. So I'm just gonna be applying some concealer to see how great it is. I feel like it looks very smooth. Like I can hardly even see my pores, because of course pores are not like completely invisible. Like I can still see, like I can still kind of see my pores like a little bit peeking through, but my skin looks so smooth. I feel like when I set my face with powder, I want to be able to see the powder even less. So next products in the box are these brushes right here. Aesthetica brush. This is the P12 brush, and I'm guessing this could be used as a bronzer brush. So that's what I'm going to use it for. And this retails for $27. And Sam, if you ask me, I would not pay $27 for a brush, but we shall see the quality of it. The next set of brush that we have is from, oh, it's also from Aesthetica. It's like a little trio. So you get 3 little brushes. You get a spoolie, you get an angled liner, and this is a lip liner. This is called the 3-piece trio by Aesthetica. Comes with an angled brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. Oh, that's great. It's for eyeliner. But I guess, yeah, no, it's too thin for lips. Yeah, okay, alright. I have like 20 different spoolies. You could say I'm an expert at this. Just kidding. But this is a really good spoolie. I can always use another spoolie, you know? And then this one would be like too thick for like me. I guess I could cut the crease with this. It's just too thick, I feel. maybe smoke out the lower lash line, but to me this is too thick for an eyeliner. Unless you're into that, then this would be great for you. But even for my eyebrows, I think like this is too thick. But I'm definitely going to use this for eyeliner. Okay, so then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be doing that off camera. And then I'm going to cream contour, and then I'll come back. So I was a little concerned because I thought that's everything that was in the box, but I went to lift this, and underneath is a little palette. So it's this little palette right here, and this is a sculpture palette by Per Cosmetics. A 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave your skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttered formulas. We'll see about that. This is what it looks like. These shades look very, very dark, but at the same time it's good, but because it can work for deeper skin tones, which a lot of bronzers fail to do. Okay, so I'm going to be using the brush from Aesthetica, and I'm going to be using this shade right here to set my contour. They feel very, very buttery. It looks a little bit patchy in my opinion, but I'm gonna try putting the butter bronzer on top, see if it fixes this. Okay, so I think it was the brush, honestly, because like I think it's way too big for me to set my contour with. But I mean, the bronzer is applying really, really nicely, and I don't feel like it looks patchy. This one looks very, very deep and bronzy too, so I'm just gonna go with this one. Ooh. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so this one, I thought it was gonna be a lot darker. Okay, so if you're receiving these in your Boxycharm, please be careful. You seriously need the tiniest amount. Trailblazers. Okay, so the first one I put down is this lighter one, which is Originator, and then I'm putting the darkest one, which is Trailblazer. But seriously, these are so hardcore. Okay, so the next thing is this little, oh, that is so clever. Pretty vulgar. Oh, we got the blush last time. I'm gonna pull it up so I can put that blush. This is water resistant. That is very interesting. This retails for $24. Not bad. I like it. I dig it. I dig it. Charm last time, and this is in the shade Make Them Blush. I'm actually gonna wear it because I feel like it kind of goes. This is very pigmented. Like I said, the price for these for the trio, which is $45, I think that is insane. That is $15 a brush. No. I'm sorry, but no. Like, sure, I got like a pretty good wing liner, but I wouldn't say this is like the easiest brush to do so. The spoolie is great. No spoolie is worth $15. No, ma'am. It's a good thing we got it in the box, but no. No. And then I also didn't say how much the sculpting little Pure Cosmetics palette was, which is $30. This is the Hand Skincare Cosmetics. This is by hand skincare cosmetics. All natural lip gloss. That is so interesting. Okay, let me see. Hand skincare lip gloss. It's formulated with an antioxidant-rich argan and acai oil and infused with the anti-aging superfood extras and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural resources. Oh my god, that is so cool. This retails for $15, which is not bad at all because most lip glosses, at least high-end ones, are very much up there, but this is all natural, so let's just see. It's so, oh my god, this is amazing. I don't know the lasting power of it, obviously, but this feels so good on my lips. Like, I had never tried a lip gloss that does not emphasize my dry lips or anything. This is amazing. Okay, so let's wrap it up. A value price of Boxycharm is $179, which is amazing because you only pay $21. So I will leave the website down below, so you can subscribe. $21 a month. They also offer like every 3 months that you can pay for it, or the whole year, which it's like 100, and you save money. Like, this month was just really filled with goodies. Like, I think the brushes are great. They're just so expensive. I would not buy them on my own, so it's great that they were included. I really like this gel liner. I don't know how long it lasts, but I really do like it. I'm not really into gel liners, but it's really nice. This is just great. Like, I had never tried a lip gloss with this kind of formula. Like, even if you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, I highly recommend this. I'm gonna look into this brand to see what other stuff they have, because this is great. Like, it feels so good on my lips, so moisturized and so soft, and I just feel like, what else can you ask for in a lip gloss? Hopefully it doesn't fade away as most lip glosses do, but I'm just saying, it was great. Also, one of the best things in the box was this Cover FX primer. I mean, if you like pretty much just one or two items of the box, you still get your money's worth. I mean, if you only like this from this month, this is already $38 that you would have paid, but you only paid $21. So I feel like my favorite things from the box were this. I mean, I think everything except for the palette much, but like I said, I mean, look at these colors. They're very much dark, and they can cater to darker skin tones. These, like, let me you can just see how reflective they are. I don't know, I feel like they're kind of patchy, but I don't know. So that concludes this video. If you like all of the items that we received in this month's box, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below what your favorite item from this Boxycharm was, what you didn't like about the box. Don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And hopefully I can see you on the next one. Bye.